Alright guys, how's it going? So I was having a conversation today with a pretty good friend, to be honest. I've known him a good few years. And we were talking about the pros and cons of different software. So like my mate would say, well, this does fluid simulations, it does bullet dynamics, blah blah blah. And he kind of picked up and says, well, you can also save render presets. And that's when I was like, whoa, chill mate. Blender can let you save render presets. Not that he didn't believe me, but he was kind of surprised. So today I'm going to show you how to save a render preset, and it's dead easy if I'm honest. If you come up here to output properties, you'll see that we have 3 dots and 3 lines, and this actually gives you predefined presets. So you can quickly change between HDTV, and you can go to PAL, or you can go to NTSC, but you can also set up your own, and it's fairly easy to do. So let's say for example I change the aspect ratio or the resolution to 640 by 640. What I can do here is I can press the preset button, and I'm going to just change the name to 640 pixels. And then all I need to do is hit the plus sign. And you can see here it's automatically added to my render presets. So I'll just quickly do like a 4K resolution. My resolution's obviously changed, and if I want to quickly change back into 640 pixels, all I do is select it, and I'm back into 640 pixels. And that's pretty much render presets. Really simple to use. I'm kind of glad I proved a point to my mate. Do me a favour guys, like the video, subscribe to the channel, it costs you absolutely nothing, hit that button, follow me on Twitter, you know what to do. Take care.